Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki Ben, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click on the subscribe button just right below, and kindly follow me on Instagram. My handle will be somewhere on the screen. So today I am back with another video, a recipe how to make a homemade waffle. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Here we've got 1 cup of sugar, and here it's we have 4 egg whites, and here we've got 4 egg yolk, and here it's a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, salted melted butter, and vanilla essence. And then this is flour. It's 3 cups of flour. Okay, so first I'll put the baking powder into the flour, the salt, sugar, and make sure you mix it well. Right, next step, it's the milk. So take the vanilla flavor essence. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. Stir it gently. Pour it into the flour bowl. Okay, so you can use a whip to whip it, but you can use a mixer if you have it. Next, when the flour and the milk is completely blended and you get into this creamy paste, then you can just put in the yolk. Then add the melted butter. Then next, take the egg white, whip it until you get it creamy. Okay, now then bring the cream into the mix. Next, gently mix them together. Okay, now the mix is ready. So next step is just we're going to have our waffle iron. So preheat your waffle maker or waffle iron. Now the waffle maker is heated, so you can start making our waffles. And voila. Here we go, we've got a crispy and fluffy waffle. Delicious.